I'm Kevin, aka Fit Man Cook. Today I am bringing the heat with this Smokin Jalapeno Popper Burger. Check it out. First, let's make our filling. We're gonna slice open a jalapeno, remove the seeds, then chop it up. Then let's mix in Greek yogurt, mozzarella, and goat cheese. Give it a good stir, then put it in the freezer for a few minutes. Next, let's prep the meat. We're gonna keep it simple with just garlic, cumin, and a pinch of sea salt and pepper. Mix it up real good. Now we're gonna form a patty and then make a hole in the center of it using your thumb. Add the filling to the hole, and then fold up the sides of the meat to cover the hole. Fire up that skillet. You're gonna brown the top and the bottom of the patty and then cook it covered until your desired readiness. Choose your bun type. You can use a toasted whole wheat bun or, for a lower carb option, roasted Portobello mushroom caps. Add mustard, lettuce, tomato, the patty, and if you're not scared, some turkey bacon. Now here's the macro breakdown. This is Fueling Gainz. Now remember to come back next week where we are making over your favorite cheats.